You're probably making one tiny tire mistake that's quietly costing you comfort, performance, and maybe hundreds of dollars. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to blow up the biggest tire myths on the internet, show you which ones actually matter, and reveal the single noise trick that will change how your car sounds forever. Stick with me. Myth number 1 will surprise you. Ready? Let's go. Have you ever driven a car and thought, why does this thing hum like a bass amp? That sound is not destiny, it's design. But before we get into the hum, here's the short version. Tire profile, tread, speed, and road all team up to make the experience you feel, and most people blame the wrong thing. Today I'll give you a checklist you can use next time you buy tires. No fluff, just what matters. Myth 11. Low-profile tires are quieter. Sounds logical, less rubber, less noise, right? Wrong. Low-profile tires often shout because their stiff sidewalls transmit more road vibration into the car. Think of the sidewall like a speaker cone. Stiff equals louder. Meanwhile, taller sidewalls soak up bumps like a cushion. But tread pattern is the real noise designer. Big blocky treads can trap and amplify air, creating the droning hum. The fix? If you care about quiet, prioritize tread design and look for tires that mix different block sizes or have noise damping features, not just a skinny sidewall. Myth 10. High-profile tires are only for trucks and old-timers. High-profile tires aren't a fashion statement for farmers, they're comfort tech. Luxury sedans and rally cars use taller sidewalls when the goal is ride isolation and grip on messy surfaces. Want a smoother daily commute or a forgiving ride over potholes? High profile might be your friend. But don't assume more sidewall equals worse handling. It's about matching tire to purpose. Myth 9. Low-profile tires always save fuel. The idea? Less flex, less energy lost. In the lab? Maybe. On the road? Not always. Wider low-profile tires increase aerodynamic drag and can add rolling resistance despite their profile. Fuel economy is a cocktail of tire width, compound, tread pattern, and wheel aerodynamics. If gas savings are your goal, look for tires explicitly rated for low rolling resistance. Profile alone is not the answer. Myth 8. Low-profile tires wear out faster. Tread compound and driving style are the real culprits. Softer compounds grip better and wear faster, regardless of profile. A cautious driver on tall-profile touring tires could outlast an aggressive driver on performance low-profile rubber. Want longevity? Pay attention to compound, rotation schedules, and driving habits. Myth 7. Low-profile tires have less grip. This one's backward. On smooth asphalt, low-profile, wider tires often deliver sharper steering and more contact patch for grip. The trade-off is discomfort on rough roads. So the question is not which grips more, but which fits your roads and driving style. Myth 6. You need high-profile tires to fit bigger brakes. Brake clearance is a wheel size thing, not sidewall height. Bigger brakes need bigger wheels, period. You can run massive calipers inside low-profile, big-diameter wheels all day long. If you're upgrading brakes, pick the wheel and rotor package first. Tires will follow. Myth 5. Low-profile tires are dangerous. Danger is a headline, not an engineering fact. Low-profile tires change the feel. Sharper steering, firmer ride. On well-maintained roads, they perform brilliantly. On pothole-riddled streets, though, they're more vulnerable. The risk is contextual, not categorical. Myth 4. Low-profile tires can't carry heavy loads. Load capacity is printed right on the tire, the load index. Sidewall height doesn't determine weight rating. Both profile types can be built for high loads. You just have to read the numbers, not the look. Myth 3. Low-profile tires use softer rubber. False. Compound choices follow purpose. Many performance tires are softer for grip, but you'll also find durable, hard compound low-profile tires built for speed and longevity. Don't judge chemistry by appearance. Myth 2. Low-profile tires are only for new cars. They've been around for decades. Enthusiasts put them on classics for looks and handling years ago. It's not about the model year. It's about priorities. Looks, handling, or comfort. Myth 1. Low-profile tires are only for smooth highways. Reality, they shine on smooth, paved surfaces and provide responsiveness and precision, but they sacrifice cushioning. So if you live in a place with perfect roads and you crave performance, low profile is a winner. If you live among potholes, speed bumps, and rough asphalt, a taller sidewall will save you headaches and rims. Now, here's the part most videos skip: how to choose for your real life. Forget blanket rules. Answer these 3 quick, honest questions. Where do you drive most? Smooth highways or rough city streets? Do you prioritize comfort or sharp handling? And are you trying to save fuel, money, or get the sportiest feel? Match the answers, not the myth. Want comfort and lower chance of rim damage? Taller sidewall. Want sharp steering and cornering precision? Lower profile on wider rubber. Want quiet? Prioritize smart tread patterns that scatter sound. Look for noise reduction tech and mixed tread blocks. Quick pro tip on tire hum: if your car develops a steady drone at highway speeds, it's often the tire pattern interacting with your car's cabin resonance. The simplest diagnostic is swap tires side to side or try a different brand with varied tread patterns. If the sound moves or disappears, it was the tire pattern. If not, check wheel balance, alignment, and even the underbody panels. And if you're really picky, stagger your tire rotation pattern or pick tires that advertise noise cancellation features.